All right. So I am back after the previous problem, which was Little Professor, and this is the last one from this fourth module, which is libraries. We've been kind of stuck here, but yeah, let's get this last one done with, and then I can move on to the next one. So we have like five more, and I'll try to complete what two in the following weeks, I guess. First this one, and oh, okay. I might need to complete three of them, but I don't know. Let's see. Cool. Because we also have these shorts. It's the sorted one. Uh, yeah, I think I made that public. Anyways, cool. Our thing is loaded. So CD week 4. It's kind of slow. This one I did on 10th January, and yeah, I think I'll have to go here and yeah, okay. So this one is remaining. Then we have week 5, 6, 7, 8, and the final project. Cool. So let's read. As of Saturday, we are aware of the CoinCap V2 API deprecation that may affect students' ability to complete this problem. We have now updated the problem to use the CoinCap V3 instead. If you have already started working, you must update your code instead of 2. Importantly, you need to sign up for CoinCap account after an API key. Once you have the API key, you can use it. Okay. So Bitcoin is a form of digital currency, otherwise known as cryptocurrency. Rather than rely on a central authority like a bank, Bitcoin instead relies on a distributed network, otherwise known as blockchain, to record transactions. Because there is demand for Bitcoin, like users want it, users are willing to buy it as by exchanging one currency, for example US dollars, for Bitcoin in a file called bitcoin.py. So this has not happened yet. Let me be first mkdir bitcoin cd into bitcoin, clear this code bitcoin.py, and there we have it. Okay, implement a program that expects the user to specify as a command line argument the number of bitcoins n that they would like to buy. If the argument cannot be converted to a float, the program should exit via sys.exit with an error message. Uh, Queries the API for the Capcoin Bitcoin price index. At this, you should replace your API key with obviously, which returns the JSON object among those whose nested keys is the current price of Bitcoin as a float. Be sure to catch any exceptions, as with code like okay. Using as 1000 separators. What is the hint? Recall that the sys module comes with the argv as per. Yeah, that we know. Note that the request module comes with quite a few methods, among which are get and JSON. You can call install with pip install requests. And this is the API response JSON. You can format USD to 4 decimal. Okay. Before you begin, uh, okay, I might need to. What should I do? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let me add an image, which is which can be anything. Okay. This is just some like precaution because I don't want to share some things. Let me just put it here. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Signing up. I'll have to create a password. Shit. Also have to do this via mail. Anyways, I guess that is good enough. Cool. So I've gotten the key and now we can start the problem. Okay, so first of all, let me see where did I use sys.exit. Okay. Which one was this? EOF error. I think that was it. Let me search though. Anyways, let us start at least. Import requests, import sys. What else do we need? Okay. When did we need to do sys.exit? If it was missing or if it couldn't be converted to a float. Okay. So did we use argv here? I don't think, right? Okay. Sys dot argv of 1 is, what was that method? How to check if an argument let's just try is a digit. Or should we try? Yeah, is alpha. What was it printing? Command line argument is not a number. Okay, let's see if this at least works or not. Out of range? How is that? Is it 2? I think this looks nice. I'll just copy it. Maybe not here. Here. So you can just call this function here. Now let us try. Cool. So that part is working. And I think this is a bit modular as well. And yeah. So now we need to okay, wait. Yeah, I think that's cool. Let's just move ahead. Okay. First, let us get that thing. We need to check how we can do it. Get USD prices by symbols. Supports up to 100 comma separate. What is a symbol though? To call any endpoint, use tools/call and provide the tool name and arguments. I think basically, if I'm being honest, I forgot how to make an API call in Python. So let us also search for it. Okay, it was by URL. So URL is equal to and I'll paste my API key here. And then response is equal to requests dot parameters by address. ID, rank, symbol, name, supply, max supply, and stuff. Where was it? Okay, I think we need to use this one. And token, maybe they mean this. Okay, why is it unauthorized? Okay, I think now it is authorized. Uh, Shit, I'm not getting how to use this shit. Let me close that one. Let me close this as well. This as well. Okay. R is equal to requests dot get. requests dot get. But get what? Slash price by address. Maybe. Let's try to print the response. Hey. Oh, okay. https:// uh 401. What was it again? Unauthorized. Why am I unauthorized, bro? Shit, dude. I think we need to send the API key. Yeah, I got that, but so it was just assets and data is response.json. Again unauthorized. Okay. assets, or it was price by address. Ah, shit. Maybe let's do it outside. Something I'm missing here, obviously. Okay. Here I'm authorized. In there. All API call require bearer token in the header or URL. What the heck? How can how can I get this one basically? Which one do I need to use? Cannot this. No, dude. The fuck? Am I missing anything? Queries the API for the coin cap. They have given this link, right? Then why am I bothering with doing all these? But it was saying unauthorized for some fucking reason. Okay. Shit, okay. We have gotten it. Let me comment out this one and see if it is still working. Yes, it is. So we don't need this. That's complicating my life, I guess. Okay. Sorry. Cool. So what do we need from here is price USD. Can we print this? Uh, uh, uh. How do we get that from the dictionary? Ah, shit. What the heck? Okay. Oh my bad. I was converting it into the integer. I think this should be fine. Let's check though. Maybe it will fail because we are not doing sys.exit. Expected exit code 1, not 0. Okay. So I think this one is just giving back the value for 1 Bitcoin or something like that. Okay, so that also don't work. See ya. Just a second. I think for that, what we can do is Let's see if that solves our problem. Yes, it does. So now the issue only is in this thing where we are exiting. So maybe let us do it this instead of doing it inside a function. Okay, what now? Hmm. Should I do this EOF error? Maybe this should be in this one. But generally there are not if else statement in the except, right? I think so. Let me just copy. Oh shit, okay. It is. Cool then. That is the solution to our problem. Took me long enough. I think I was just shitting around, but we got to do it. Let me just copy it from here only. Yes. Now I think there should be some. Yeah, one credit we have used, anyways. That's fine. Okay, 52 minutes. That's nothing compared to the little professor shit that we went through. Okay, just submit it, brother. Okay, it has passed. And finally, our week 4 is complete. So our 5 out of 10 weeks are complete 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and now we are on to week 5. Although I'll have to watch the lectures and stuff first, which is this one right here. Uh, Happy to see unit testing making its way into curriculum. I have been software developer for 7 years now, and this is one of the largest knowledge gaps we have with new devs. Test early and test often. Your designs will be better for it, and if a code is hard to test, if one means you sufficiently broken. Yes, nice. Uh, so we have done it, boys, and we are on to week 5 now. Cool. So I'll see you in the next problem tomorrow, which will be p sets 5 if I'm not wrong. Yes, testing my Twitter, back to the bank, re-requesting a vanity plate, and refueling. Okay, so that is it. We are done with RDU, Bitcoin, emojis, Figlet, game, and Professor in week 4. Yeah. Anyways, that is it for now. I'll go to the gym, I guess. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.